Hey guys, Miss Sewing here, and in today's video, we are going to talk about Jim Crow laws. What Crow laws refer to are the laws that used to be in place that required segregation. And when talking about segregation, remember that it looks a lot like the word separation. So to segregate means to separate. And the way we're separating people during this time period in the 40s, 50s, and into the 1960s was based on race, separating and having separate spaces for white and black people. This sign here is a demonstration of a Jim Crow law where you see we are separating black and white waiting rooms. Let's take a look at a few examples of Jim Crow laws. So number one, poll taxes. Poll taxes are these fees that a person would be forced to pay in order to vote. This is not done anymore for obvious reasons. It's unfair to ask somebody to pay in order to vote. It's something that we're all guaranteed to be able to have. Number two, literacy tests. These were used back in the 40s and 50s as a way of stopping Black and Brown people from voting. You'd have to pass this test, which was very difficult in order to get your voter registration. And finally, like the sign hinted on the first page, general separation or segregation of public spaces, of course, based on race, is another example of Jim Crow laws, having different bathrooms, separate waiting areas, separate drinking fountains. That way of keeping our white and black race separated is a clear example of a Jim Crow law.